Hi, welcome to the instructional videos for your home tests. This test we're going to go over now is the Neurogistics test. It is a urine test, and it's pretty straightforward and easy. We're going to open the box, and in this box you're going to see two specimen cups. One is empty, and one has a little bit of green dye in the bottom. You can put those aside. Inside of this little envelope is the actual test that we're going to need. We'll go over that in a second. Discard that for now. The directions for how to do this test are very straightforward and very easy, and they're right here, and we'll go over those as well. Also, there's a quick little health questionnaire and the requisition form that's going to go back to the company, and we'll go over that as well. That's in here, and you need to fill this out as well. Instructions are very straightforward, very easy. The first thing to remember is that this urine collection you're going to do should be the second urine of the day. So in the morning when you get up, you can empty your bladder, no problem. The next time that you go to the bathroom is when you should collect for this specimen. This urine cup is only about 30-40 milliliters. You only need a little bit in here. Once you collect urine into this cup, you are then going to transfer into this one with the dye, the green dye. There's a little piece of paper in here that has name, date, and time. And this is actually the test. You're going to unfold this piece of paper, and there's litmus paper on the bottom of here. You want to fold it to where this is now open, and you have this exposed. Once you have this piece of paper exposed, you're going to dip this into the urine, into the dye, and you're going to hold it here for about 10 seconds. Once you have it in there for 10 seconds, you can remove it. And then you're going to take this piece of paper carefully, and then you're going to fold the litmus paper like a tent, like so. And you're going to let this dry for 24 hours. And that's where this do not send when samples comes in. We're going to let it dry like a tent for 24 hours, and after the sample is dry, you can then refold this back up like so, and make sure your name, the date of birth, and the time that you collected this is on here. This is what you need to send back to the lab. This piece can go back in the box. At that point, you can then fill out the requisitional form, all the demographical information. The test here is actually stated $199. You can put a credit card or write them a check. And then there is a 48 little quick question health history on here that goes with the test. So you fill those out, and these will go back in the box as well. Once you have your sample in there and the requisitional form, you can close up the box. You can put your return address, and then this sticker, which is the prepackaged label, stays on top of the box. Will go on like so, and then you can take this to the post office.